Welcome to Crosdale's Business Central Tips. Today we will create and deploy a extension using the AL language extension in Visual Studio Code. First of all, to install that, we have to go to the extensions inside Visual Studio Code, find the AL language extension. I already have it installed. You'll just be able to click the install button. Once that's installed, press Control P and greater than and type L, go. You can also do Alt A and Alt L, although I haven't actually tried that. Alt A, Alt L. Okay, Alt L seems to create the new one. To show you that again, Control P, more than, search for Al, go, exclamation mark, press enter. That will bring up the menu or a file creation screen, which we can name the project. Let's just call it tutorial. Press enter. Select the Business Central version that you're working on. For me, that's 8. And we'll be asked to whether we trust the authors of this file. Since this is a tutorial and our own computer and our own project, yep, we can trust everything here. You're then presented with these few files. Before that, we just have to very quickly tell it what server that we actually want to connect to. If you're running a local development environment, you can specify your own server, or if you're using a staging server in the cloud, you can select Cloud Sandbox. I have a local one. I'm going to click this. It's going to ask me a few credentials, a few things about what I'm deploying to. First of all, it's asked me for my username, which by default is admin. My password, which is capital P, the @ SSW0RD by default, if you've installed it locally. Press enter. This will fail actually because my server is actually called BC Server UK. Save that. Just close this off for a second. And that should be good. Now, we'll just go over a couple of the things that you get given at the start of this project. You get given this app.json. This is where you can fill out things like name of the extension, name of the publisher. For example, I could put Crosdale. Version management. This is very important when you're deploying to production. You have to make sure you increment these. Otherwise, it won't upload properly or error to say that a version of that already exists. A brief description. Maybe we just put a description in here. Tutorial project. And we can put other things like URL, dependencies. We won't get into any of that now. This is just a simple project. And this AL, hello world.al file. At the moment, it's extending customer list. Now you'll notice down in the corner here, we've got this symbols are missing. This is because it will check the symbols to see whether this customer list exists. Of course, we haven't downloaded them yet. So we can do it two ways. We can click the download symbols, or again, Control P, AL, download symbols, and press enter. It will connect to the server. I need to do that again. It will send a request, download the symbols, and this will change color. So now, here we go. Now it's found it and it's happy. So this is what we're going to deploy. We're going to say on the customer list, when we open the page, it will say app published hello world. To deploy, very straightforward. We simply press F5. It will deploy. This is much faster locally compared to the staging like cloud server. We'll get a success message. The package has been published to the server. It will open up the window, and here we can see app published hello world. Thanks for watching.